Sometimes when students of Russian want to ask, can I ask you a question in Russian? They translate this question word for word into Russian and end up with спросить for ask, вопрос for question, and can I, можно. So they say, можно спросить вопрос. But that is not how we phrase this question. The problem is that the verb спросить is self-sufficient and it is not followed with the word вопрос. So if you use it, you don't need anything after it. You simply say можно спросить. If you want a sentence that's more similar to the English sentence structure, then you need a different verb, задать. And then you're asking, можно задать вопрос. Do you make the same mistake?